Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another speed test comparison between these awesome two pen drives which are the fastest in the market. That is the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Go and this is the Lux. And I'd been using this particular pen drive for a very long time and they are looking extremely identical because they are built almost on the same chassis, I guess. And they are having the same connectors Type C, with the help of which you all can connect to your iPad and even MacBooks and those new laptops. Also your Android phone supports the Type C. And as you can see the difference between these, the Lux is a metal pen drive, the Drive Go is a plastic body. And I'd been using this Lux for a very long time as my main pen drive, and you have this nice clicky feeling. If you even see on the backend side, they are almost identical and they are from the same company. And in my particular testing guys, I'd been using many pen drives and doing speed test of many pen drives on this particular channel. Y'all can just go to my channel and playlist section, I'll be listing them, so y'all can do check out that particular playlist. So I'd been doing speed test for a while and on Windows, and let me know in the comments below whether I should do it on a Mac also. And after connecting this to my computer, let us just start with the speed test. So I had been like crazy doing speed test and comparing all the pen drives which are available in the market. On the left hand side is the black color one, the Dual Drive Go, and on right side is the Lux pen drive, the silver one. And let us just start it together. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular speed test. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. So guys, I'd been using the Lux for a while. I had no issues except for the fact that it is getting heated in the sense only if you are doing file transfer. If it is just connected to the computer, I have no issues with it. And most of y'all must be asking me in the comment whether it is getting heated so much. So for instance, like 46 to 48 degrees according to me is normal, unless and until it is not reaching more than 50 degrees. Also I've done a in-depth comparison on this temperature etc in another video. Do check it out on my channel. And this particular the black color one, the plastic one, that is the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Go, had been using for about like 6 months. And slightly had some issues with it, with only with the build quality, not with the speed test etc. It is as good as performing as the Lux one, but then again I don't know what is the durability factor for this, whether it is going to last me for a very long time. So if you are type of person who is going to use your pen drive for maybe around 5 or 6 years, definitely look no further compared to the Lux, because Lux is going to last you for a very long time since it is built with metal. Also when pen drives are getting heated guys, always remember that it is dissipating the heat and it is not the chips are not getting heated inside, and it is actually made only for the cooling solution part. So if you want a good cooling solution for your particular pen drive, please look into a metal pen drive and not with the plastic is not going to last you for a very long time guys. So do check out in that factor. And I did not feel any connectivity issues with both of this pen drive in my particular testing. I've been using with cross platform like the Mac, the iPad Pro, and the Android phones. So I'd been transferring data between many Android phones. I had no issues with both of this particular pen drive. And maybe you'll have to format this about like once or twice, because then it might get sluggish due to file system. So I would recommend you all to format this particular pen drive as soon as you all get it to exFAT, because that is a better file system. Sometimes I've even seen people who are formatting their pen drive to NTFS just to make it more Windows compatible etc. And there are various benefits of using NTFS like encryption and all, which personally I don't use. So in my case I feel the exFAT works brilliantly. And as you can see the test result, the Dual Drive Go is almost like 143.42 Mbps and the write speed is 41.73. And if you see the Lux, it is 144.49 as the read speed, and the write speed is the 68.99. And if you see the difference guys, it is almost like more than 25 Mbps between both of this. So definitely the Lux pen drive is a clear winner over here. And both of these pen drive is having almost equal temperature, whereas the Lux pen drive is having slightly more temperature compared to this, the Go. And if you see even the write speed, it is 68.99, which is almost like 69 mbps, and 69 mbps the write speed is very good, guys. I would highly recommend, if you want a faster pen drive, there is no alternative than getting the Lux. And if you see over here, in even in the metal build etc, and consider even the price difference between them, it is just negligible, just around 100 rupees or 200 rupees you are paying extra, but the speed difference you all can see is huge. So definitely I would recommend straight away to go with the Lux and just skip the dual drive Go, because it's a slower pen drive, and the performance factor is a lot in my particular case. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video, guys, as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out this awesome video which we have it on our channel, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. And thanks a lot for watching this particular video.